Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Adam Maulana. How are you today? I hope you and your family are always blessed with good health, peace, happiness, and protection from God Almighty. Today, we are going to discuss a fascinating technology in the field of hearing health, the cochlear implant. For some people with severe to profound sensorineural hearing loss, hearing conversations or sounds in their surroundings can be challenging. In certain cases, hearing aids may not provide enough benefit. This is where a cochlear implant may become one of the options considered after a comprehensive medical and audiological evaluation. So, how does a cochlear implant actually work? A cochlear implant is an electronic medical device designed to provide electrical stimulation to the auditory system. Unlike a hearing aid, which primarily amplifies sound, a cochlear implant converts sound into electrical signals that are then used to stimulate the auditory nerve through an array of electrodes placed inside the cochlea. The process begins when a microphone on the external part of the device captures sounds from the environment. These sounds are then processed by the sound processor and converted into digital information. The information is transmitted to the implanted component, which then generates electrical stimulation through the electrodes inside the cochlea. These electrical signals are detected by the auditory nerve and transmitted to the brain. The brain then learns to interpret these patterns of stimulation as sound. However, there is one important point to understand. A cochlear implant does not immediately restore normal hearing. After the device is activated, the individual needs time to adapt. The brain needs to learn how to recognize and interpret these new patterns of sound. That is why auditory rehabilitation and listening practice are important parts of the process after implantation. The results can also vary from person to person, depending on several factors, including the condition of the auditory nerve, the age when hearing loss occurred, how long the hearing loss has been present, and the rehabilitation process. The decision to receive a cochlear implant also cannot be based solely on the severity of hearing loss. Evaluation by an ENT doctor, audiologist, and other members of the medical team is necessary to determine whether someone is an appropriate candidate. This technology reminds us that advances in medicine are not simply about creating increasingly sophisticated devices. They are also about helping people reconnect with their surroundings, their families, and the people they love through the world of sound. And the moral of the story is this: never lose hope because of a limitation. Every person has a different journey, and with medical knowledge, family support, and consistent effort, there may always be a path toward a better quality of life.